You're driving like normal, music is playing, everything feels fine. Then, suddenly, a small light appears on your dashboard. Most people do one of two things: they either ignore it or hope it disappears on its own. But here's the truth most drivers don't realize. Some warning lights are not suggestions. They are urgent signals that something is already going wrong. And ignoring the wrong one, even for a few minutes, can turn a small issue into a massive repair bill or a dangerous situation on the road. Why dashboard warning lights matter more than you think. Modern cars are designed to protect you, but they can't speak. Instead, they communicate through warning lights. These lights are part of a complex monitoring system that constantly checks the health of your vehicle while you drive. Every time you start your car, dozens of sensors begin working in the background. They monitor oil pressure, engine temperature, braking systems, battery performance, and much more. When something goes wrong, your car doesn't wait for it to fail completely. It sends you a warning. The problem is that many drivers have become used to seeing lights come and go, especially less serious ones like low fuel or tire pressure. Over time, this creates a dangerous habit of ignoring warnings altogether. But not all lights are equal. Some lights are simply reminders. Others are early warnings. And a few are critical alerts that indicate immediate danger. These are the lights that demand your attention right away because they often signal problems that can escalate rapidly if ignored. Understanding these warning signals is not just about maintaining your car. It is about protecting your safety, avoiding breakdowns, and preventing expensive damage. The red warning lights. The most important rule every driver should remember is simple. If the light is red, you should take it seriously immediately. Red warning lights are not informational. They are urgent. They indicate that something critical is happening inside your vehicle that could cause severe damage or unsafe driving conditions. One of the most dangerous red lights is the oil pressure warning light. This light usually looks like a small oil can symbol. When it turns on, it means your engine is not receiving enough oil pressure to lubricate its moving parts. Without proper lubrication, engine components begin to grind against each other. This can cause extreme heat, rapid wear, and eventually complete engine failure. Continuing to drive in this condition can destroy your engine within minutes. If you ever see this light, the safest action is to pull over immediately and turn off the engine. Another critical red light is the engine temperature warning light. This usually appears as a thermometer symbol or a wave-like icon. It indicates that your engine is overheating. An overheating engine can lead to warped components, blown head gaskets, or total engine damage. In extreme cases, it can even cause smoke or fire under the hood. When this light appears, you should stop driving as soon as it is safe and allow the engine to cool down. Brake system warning. One of the most serious warning lights you can encounter is the brake system warning light. This light often appears as a circle with an exclamation mark inside, sometimes accompanied by the word brake. It can indicate several issues, including low brake fluid, worn brake pads, or a failure in the braking system. Your brakes are the most important safety feature in your vehicle. If this system is compromised, your ability to stop quickly or safely may be affected. In some cases, this light may simply indicate that the parking brake is engaged. However, if the parking brake is not active and the light remains on, it should be treated as a serious warning. Driving with a potential brake issue is extremely dangerous. Even if the car feels normal at first, braking performance can deteriorate suddenly. If this light appears, you should stop driving and have the system checked as soon as possible. Battery warning light. The battery warning light is another signal that many drivers misunderstand. This light does not necessarily mean your battery is dead. Instead, it often indicates a problem with the charging system, which includes the alternator, battery, and electrical connections. When this light turns on, your car may still run temporarily, but it is operating only on the remaining charge in the battery. Once that charge is depleted, the vehicle can shut down completely. This can happen without much warning, especially while driving at higher speeds or in heavy traffic. If the battery light appears, it is important to reduce electrical usage and head to a safe location or repair shop as soon as possible. Steering system warning. Modern vehicles often include power steering systems that make turning the wheel easier and more precise. When the steering warning light appears, it indicates a problem with this system. Without power steering, turning the wheel becomes much harder, especially at low speeds. In some cases, the steering may become unpredictable or less responsive. This can create a dangerous driving situation, particularly in tight spaces or emergency maneuvers. If you notice this warning, you should avoid driving long distances and have the issue inspected immediately. Airbag warning light. The airbag warning light is often ignored because it does not affect how the car feels while driving. However, this light indicates a serious safety issue. It means the airbag system may not deploy correctly in the event of an accident. Airbags are designed to reduce injury during collisions. If the system is not functioning properly, your level of protection is significantly reduced. Even though the car may drive normally, this warning should not be ignored. It is important to have the system checked to ensure your safety in case of an emergency. Why ignoring these lights becomes expensive. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make is assuming they can deal with warning lights later. The reality is that many small problems become much larger when ignored. An oil issue that could be fixed with a simple refill or repair can turn into complete engine failure. A cooling problem can escalate into major mechanical damage. Electrical issues can lead to breakdowns at the worst possible moment. What might have been a minor repair can quickly become a bill costing thousands of dollars. Acting early is almost always cheaper and safer than waiting. The difference between panic and smart action. Seeing a warning light does not mean you should panic, but it does mean you should respond intelligently. The key is understanding which lights require immediate action and which ones can wait. Red warning lights are your highest priority. They signal urgent problems that need attention right away. Yellow or orange lights, which we'll cover in the next part, often indicate less critical issues that can be addressed soon but not immediately. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for part 2, where we break down the dashboard lights you can safely ignore, at least for now. And comment below, which warning light have you ignored before and what happened?